Find the angle between the vectors using the vector dot product. So we're given two vectors, A and B. We have to find the angle between them. So A is given by this three-dimensional vector. So 2 I hat minus 3 plus 4. Minus 1. J hat minus 5 K hat. Okay, so we know the dot product. So if this is given by AXI plus AYJ plus AZK, and this is BXI plus BYJ BZK. We know the dot product of two vectors is given us two ways of doing it. So A dot B is given by AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ. It's also given by the magnitude of vector A times the magnitude of vector B times cosine of the angle between them. So if we're given two vectors A and B, there is an angle that subtends these two vectors, and this is the angle that we're trying to find. So we're going to equate these two together. So basically cosine of theta is equal to AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ divisible by the magnitude of A vector and B vector. So note that the magnitude of A vector is the square root of each of the components squared, sum of the squares of each of the components. So this would be AX squared plus AY squared plus AZ squared. The magnitude of B is BX squared plus BY squared BZ squared. Okay, so cosine of theta is 2 times minus 1 plus negative 3 times 2 plus 4 times negative 5, all divisible by the magnitude of A vector, which in this case happens to be 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared. And the magnitude of B vector is going to be 1 squared minus 1 squared is 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 5 squared. So we can calculate this number to be 2 times 1 is negative 2, negative 2 times negative 6 is negative 8, negative 8 minus 20 is negative 28. Two squared plus 3 squared. 2 squared is 4, 4 plus 9 is 13, 13 plus 16 is 29. And 1 squared plus 2 squared is 5. 5 squared plus 25 is 30. And so this is cosine of theta. So theta is equal to arc cosine of minus 28 divisible by square root of 29 times square root of 30. Is this on the camera? Yep, it's on the screen. Good. So bring out your calculator and say 28 negative divided by 29 xy to the 0.5 divided by 30 xy to the 0.5 and shift cosine to get 162 degrees.